Hi everyone, Amelia here from Doxy.me with what's new this March. This month's updates focus on expanding your session toolkit, introducing built-in audio recording, and a consistent place to find monthly updates. Let's take a look. First, we're introducing Record, a new app available on paid plans and compatible on desktop and mobile. Record makes it easy for you to securely capture audio-only recordings directly within your call experience, with clear in-session indicators to keep all participants informed. You can start and stop recording right from the in-call toolbar, turn on optional auto launch to begin recording automatically at the start of each session, and download a full transcript whenever you need it, making documentation and future reference simple, without disrupting your workflow. Finally, you may notice product updates appear in a new location. What's new is now available in the Dashboard Sidebar. Instead of seeing a banner at the top of your experience, you can visit this dedicated space anytime to review the latest features and improvements each month. That's everything new in March. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month with more new features.